Exercise 2.1. The first problem says express each number as a product of prime factorization. Now in these problems we just need to find the prime factors of the given numbers. Now the first given number 140. If you divide it by 2, 2 sevens are 14, 0. 2 threes are 6, remainder is 1, 2 fives are 10. 5 sevens are 35. Now 140 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, that is 2 square into 5 into 7. That's it. The problem, you only asked us to find the prime factorization. Now 156, second problem, that's second bit. 2 sevens are 14, 1 is remainder, 2 eights are 16, 2 threes are 6, 1 is remainder, 2 nines are 18, 3 ones are 3 threes are 13 is the prime number, so we cannot divide it. So 156 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 or 2 square into 3 into 13. Finish. Third bit. 3825. Now since the last digit is 5, so the whole number can be divided by 5. So 5 sevens are 35, 38 minus 35 is 3, so remainder is 3, this number becomes 32. 5 6 are 30, remainder is 2, 5 5s are 25. Now here 5 ones are 5, remainder is 2, 5 5s are 25, remainder is 1, 5 3s are 15. Now 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 3 9. Now the whole number is, the sum is 9, so it can be divided by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 ones are 3. Again this can also be divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, remainder is 2, 3 sevens are 21. So 3825 can be written as 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 17 or 5 square into 3 square into 17. The fourth bit 5005. The 5005 can be divided by 5 since the last digit is 5. So the 5 ones are 0 0, 5 ones are. Next 1 0 0 1 can be divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. Remainder is 3. 7 4s are 28. Remainder is 2. So this becomes 21. 7 3s are 21. 143 can be divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. Remainder is 3. 11 3s are 33. So 5005 can be done as 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. That's it. The fourth bit 7429. To find the prime factors of 7429, we will divide it by 17. 17 into 4 is 17 for 60. 7 4 the 17 for the 68. So 74 minus 68 is 6. 17 for the, now this becomes 62. Now 17 into 3 is 51. 17 3s are 51. This becomes 119. So 17 9s are 17 7s are 7 7s 49. 7 1s are 7 119. 17 7s are 119. Now again this 19, this can be divided by 19. 19 into 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3, 5. So this 13, 19 2s are 38. 19 2s are 38. 19 2s are 38. 2 plus 3, 5, 57. 19 3s are 57. 19 3s are 57. So 23 is a prime number. We will stop the division here. So 7429 can be written as 17 into 19 into 23. In second problem, we have to find the HCF and LCM of two given numbers and also verify that LCM, product of LCM and HCF is equal to product of the given numbers. So first we'll find the factors of 26. So 26 factors are 2 ones, 2 13. 13 is a prime number. So 2 into 13. Next 91. So we'll find the prime factors of 91. Prime factors of 91, that is 13 sevens are 7 into 13. So we'll write 13 only under 13 and 7 we'll write in a different side. So now here 13 is the common factor. So LCM is equal to 2 into 13, we'll only write once and 7. So LCM is equal to 13 into 7 is 91. 91 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. 182 is the LCM. Now HCF is only the number which is repeating in the two numbers, that is 13. 13 is only the common factor of 26 and 91. So 13 is the HCF. Now if you want to verify the formula, that is LCM into HCF. LCM into HCF is, LCM is 182, HCF is 13. So 182 into 13, 3 2s are 6, 24, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, plus 2 5, 2 1s are 2, 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. So 6, 6, 13, 2 3 66. So HCF into LCM is 2 3 66. Now first number into second number. First number into second number. First number is 26, second number is 91. If we multiply these two, 91 into 26, 6 ones are 6, 9 6 are 54, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So 6, 6, 13, 2 3 66. So the formula LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers is verified. Here LCM into HCF is also 2366 and first number into second number product is also 2366. So we have verified the formula. Second bit, 510 and 92. Again here we have to find the LCM, HCF and also prove that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So we'll find the prime factors of 510 first. So the prime factors of 510 are 2, 2s are 4, 1 is remainder. So 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Next we can divide it by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now again it can be divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 7s are 21. So the prime factors of 510 are 2 into 5 into 3 into 17 and prime factors of 92. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 2, 2s are 2 3s are 23 is the prime number. So this can be written as 2. We don't have another 2, we'll write to the other side, that is into 2, and we also don't have 23. So the LCM is equal to, now common factor is 2, we'll write 2 ones, there are no repeating terms again. So 5 into 3 into 17 into 2 into 23. So when we multiply it, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 into 2, 60, 60 into 7, 60 into 17, 700, 7 6 are 42, 7 100, 1 6 are 6, 0 2 10, 1020 into 23, 300, 3 2s are 6, 300, 3 1s are 3, 200, 2 2s are 4, 200, 2 1s are 2. So 0 6 4 3 2. 2 3 4 6 0 is the LCM. 2 3 4 6 0 is the LCM. Now HCF will be only the number which is repeating in the two given numbers. So HCF is only 2. Now for verification, verification of formula LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. LCM is 23460 into HCF. Now this 2 into 0, if you multiply this, 23460 multiplied by 2, 200, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8 plus 1 9, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 46920, 46920. Now first number is 510, second number is 92. If we multiply 510 and 92, 510 and 92, 200, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So again 900, 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So if we add 0, 9, 2 plus 0, 0 2, 9, 6, 4, 49620. Now the product is also 46920. So product of LCM HCF and product of given two numbers are both equal. So the problem is verified now. Now third bit, we need to find HCF, LCM of 336 and 54 and also verify the formula LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So we'll first factorize 336 using prime factorization method, that is 336, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 2 1s are 3 7s are. So 336 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 3 into 7 and 54 can be written as 2 2s are 2 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are. So we have 1 2 here, 3 into 3 into 3 ones. So here the common factors are 2 and 3. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Even though we have 2 2's here, we are going to take only one time. So again 1 3 7 3 into 3. So the LCM will be equal to 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 into 7, 56, 7 4s are 28 plus 5, 33 into 9, 9 6s are 54, 9 3s are 27 plus 5, 32, 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, 30. 3024 is the LCM. Now HCF is, we have 1 2 repeating and 1 3, so HCF is 6. 2 3s are 6. Now coming to verification process, HCF into LCM, is equal to, HCF is 3024 into HCF is 6 and LCM is 3024. So 3024 into 6, 6 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 12, 13, 14, 3 6 are 18. So HCF is 18144. Product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is first number into second number. First number is 336. Second number is 54. So 336 into 54. So 6 4s are 24, 12, 13, 14, 4 3 are 12, 13, 5 6 are 30, 15, 18, 15, 16. So 4 4 11 7 8 1 8 18144. So 18144. So the verification process is proved. So product of LCM, that is product of HCF and LCM, is equal to first number into second number, verified. Third problem, in this we have around 5 bits. Okay, we'll do bit by bit. So in this we need to find the HCF and LCM of the given numbers using prime factorization method. So 12, using prime factorization method, we can write 12 as 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. So 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. And 21 can be written as 3 into 7. 21 can be written as 3 into 7. Now here the only repeating term is 3. So the LCM will be, we take every term 2 into 2 into, so 3 we have 3 times, but we will only write 1 time. 5 into 7, that will be 420. 2 2s are 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 into 7, 60 into 7, 700, 7 6 are 42. 420 is the LCM. Now HCF is the number which is the common factor of all the 3 numbers is 3. So HCF will be 3. So LCM is 420, HCF is 3. In this problem we are not verifying the like the LCM and product of LCM and HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Even if we verify, we will get the correct answer. So the second bit, he says find HCF and LCM for given 3 numbers. So for 17, if we write in prime factorization method, we can only write in 1 into 17 because 17 is a prime number. 23 is a prime number, so 1 into 23. 29 is a prime number, so 1 into 29. So the LCM will be 1 we have 3 times, so but we will only write 1 time. 1 into 17 into 23 into 29. So LCM will be 17 into 23. First multiply 23 into 17. 17 3s are 51. 17 to the 34 plus 5, 39. Now again this 391 should be divided with 29. So 9 into 1, 9, 9 9s are 81, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 8, 35. So 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 7. So 9, 3, 3, 11. 11, 3, 9. 11, 3, 9 is the LCM, and HCF is the only number which is repeating in all the three given numbers is 1. Therefore, HCF will be 1. Very simple method to find HCM, LCF and LCM of any given number. You can find with this method you can find LCM of any number of terms. In previous problem, actually the exercise was written as 2.1. Please correct it to 1.2. So in third problem, third bit, we need to find the HCF and LCM of 8, 9, 25. So 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 25 can be written as 5 into 5. And it will have 1, 1 and 1. So the HCF or first LCM, we will write LCM is equal to multiply all the terms. 2 to the 4, 4 to 8, 8 3 is 24, 24, 23, 24 into 3, 12, 6, 7, 72, 72 into 25. 72 into 25 will be 1800. LCM is 1800 and HCF is the only number which is repeating in all the three numbers is 1. So this is the greatest common factor, that is highest common factor is 1. So LCM is 1800 and HCF is 1. In the similar way, we will find HCF and LCM of 72 and 108. 72 in prime factorization we can write as 2 into 36, 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 9s are 3 3s are. So 72 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and 108 can be written as 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are. So 108 can be written as, we have 2 2s, so we'll write 2 under each 2 and 3 3s, 3 into 3 into 3. So this 2 is repeating, this 2 is repeating, 3 is repeating and 3 is repeating. So the LCM will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24, 22 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 into 3, 24 into 3, 3 4 is 12, 3 2 is 6, 7 72 into 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21. So LCM is 216 and HCF will be, we need to add this 2 is repeating, then this 2 is repeating, 3 and 3 is repeating. We will only take one time each. So 2 2 4s, 4 3 are 12, 12 3 is 36. So LCM is 216 and HCF is 36. So in same way we will find the LCM and HCF of 306 and 615. So 306 can be written as 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 3s are 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 13 7s are 7, 13 7s are is not 13 7s are not 13 7s are, we don't get 13 7s are, we'll write it as 17 into 3, 3 into 17, 17 3 is 51. So 306 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 17, and 657 can be written as, now 11 plus 8, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9. So 73 is a prime number. So 657 can be written as 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 73. So the LCM will be this 3 is repeating, this 3 is repeating, so 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 17 into 73 will be 22338. You can calculate if you want. So 22338 is the LCM, and HCF will be only numbers which are repeating is 3 and 3. So HCF will be 9 and LCM is 22338. So fourth problem, he has given us the HCF of 306 and 657 is equal to 9. We need to find the LCM. So here we are going to apply the formula like product of HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers, given two numbers. So the HCF of 306 and 657 is 9. We don't know the LCM. So product of 306 into 657. So the LCM equal to 306 into 657 divided by 9. So because this is multiplication, 9 into LCM, so we are bringing 9 to this side, the right side of the equal to sign, so it will become division. So if we cancel this, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So the LCM will be 34 into 657. So if we multiply 657 into 34, we'll get the LCM. 4 7s are 28, 4 5s are 20, 21, 22, 4 6 are 24 plus 2, 26. So 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 16, 17, 3 6 are 18, 19, 8, 3, 13, 10, 11, 12, 22338. So LCM is equal to 22338. So here we have he has given us the HCF and two numbers, and here he told us to find LCM. So this is the problem. In the same way, in examination point of view, he can give the LCM of two numbers and the two numbers, and he will also ask us to find the HCF. So for that also we will follow the same method. Only thing is, instead of substituting the HCF value, we will substitute the LCM value and divide the product of two numbers with LCM. That's it. Now in the fifth problem, he says check whether 6 to the power of n can end with a 0 for any natural number n. So n can take the values of 1, 2, 3 till infinite. Okay, so 6 to the power of n, 6 to the power of n, 6 to the power of 1 equal to 6, 6 to the power of 2 equal to 36, 6 to the power of 3 equal to 36 into 6, that is 6 6 are 36, 6 18, 19, 20, 21. In 6th table, if we want 0, 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30, that is ending with 0. 6 multiplied by 10, that is 60, that which is ending with 0. But if we take the natural number n as a natural number for any value of n, it will end only with 6. And in prime factorization of 6 can be written as 2 to the power of n into 3 to the power of n, where 5 is not present. We will get last digit as 0 only when 6 is multiplied by 5. So there will be no number for any value of n where 6 to the power of n ends with a 0. Therefore there is no number which ends with 0 for any value of n in 6 to the power of n. Therefore we will not have any value for where n 6 to the power of n will end with a digit 0 unless and until there is a 5, that is unless and until 6 is multiplied by 5, which is not at all possible in 6 to the power of n, because in 6 to the power of n we will only multiply every number with only 6, and when we multiply with 6 we will end up with the last digit at 6. Sixth problem, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 in plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 or whatever it is plus 5 is a composite number. So we will write these two numbers separately. So 7, 11, 13 plus 13. Here we can take 13 as a common element. So 7 into 11 into 1 into 1 plus 1, and here we can take 5 as a common element. So 7 into 6 into 5 we have taken it as a common, so it will be 1. 4 into 3 into 2 plus 1. So here we can write it as 7 11s are 77 plus 1 78. Here we can write it as 7 6 are 42. 42, this is 12 plus 2, 12 into 2 24. 42 into 24, 42 into 24. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So 8, 10, 9, 10, 1008, 1008, this is plus 1. So this can be written as 5 into 1009. If you carefully see, these two numbers can be written as the factors of prime numbers, that is 39, 5. So therefore these two numbers are composite numbers, since the given two numbers can be written as the product of prime numbers. Therefore the given numbers are composite numbers. Proved. So seventh problem, here the question is, there is a circular field, a path around a sports field, and Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes only 12 minutes. If they both start at the same time and in the same direction, after how many minutes they will meet at the starting point? Now here we will be finding the LCM of two numbers. And why we are not finding the HCF? Because we are not finding the greatest common factor, we are finding the least common factor, that is after how many minutes is the least number. So here we will find, we need to find LCM of 18 and 12. So LCM of 18 can be written as 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3, and 12 can be written as 2 6 are 2 3s are, that is 2 into 3 into 2. So the LCM will be only 2 into 3. LCM is equal to 2 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. That is 2 into 3. 2 3 are 6. 6 3 are 18. 18 2 are 36. Therefore, after 36 minutes, Sonia and Ravi will meet at the starting point. So they will meet at the starting point only after 36 minutes when they start at the same time and in the same direction.